very first album. It's very shocking to even know this is first or rather debut album because he has so many hits back to back for close to 10 years right now. He has been giving us hits back to back, and I think he's just right that God's timing is the best is coming at this time right now. So big shout out to the president of Malian Music here. Please, if your hands are not busy, round of applause for NAIRA MARLEY in the building. Now once we don't see the enter, everywhere where it can be was scatter. Malians! Anyway, straight to the point right now. I'm curious to know God's timing is the best. I've been not best, I don't understand.
All of my people, thank everybody for coming out for me. Thank you, big love, I appreciate it. Well, God's timing is the best. Like people were saying, in the song it's got no panties, it's got drink alcohol like it's water. It's basically, God's timing is the best, it's basically something to do with me. You know, in my life I've been trying to plan a lot of things in my own time, and it didn't really work out. Like me coming to Nigeria, EFCC arresting me, letting me go. Yeah, so yeah, everything is just in God's timing. So God's timing is the best, basically. This album came out at God's timing. I could have dropped the album a long time ago, but I'm dropping it now.
So you made mention of EFCC. Can we say EFCC arresting you is also God's plans for you? God's plan, right? Now we are here. Okay, I like fishing. First of all, my name is MC Aron. For those who don't know, I work with NAIRA FM 102.7. I've been pitching person. So I know they like her. They like communicate for street because street don't they on ground, and I believe you understand very well. So how you feel to release your debut album right now? Like, what do you be feeling when you get right now?
I'm excited, to be honest. I'm really happy. I'm excited. I'm ready to go. It's my first album, basically, and I said, I'm very excited. I'm more happy than you guys. And all the songs on the album, I love it. But personally, I play it every day, like, you know, I love
it. Okay, so we just have to do with one mic right now. This is a great moment for you, great moment for Malian music, great moment for the fans of Malian music. And whether you would like it or not, since your insertion into the music industry, you have brought a new vibe. Like, when I mean vibe, crazy vibe, totally different vibe. No one expected from the music industry. And somehow, a lot of other people have followed your footsteps too. You have a lot of artists on your label already, people for some young guys too. With this whole album, with your artists at this moment right now, what is your word art for the ones that have not made it yet?
The ones that have not made it yet, just keep pushing, man, and you need to learn more, and yeah, just keep pushing, don't give up, Get a nice producer, get a nice beat. You don't really need a label, yeah, just keep pushing. The label will come on, but just keep pushing. You don't really need the label. Believe in yourself, keep pushing.
Okay, straight to the music right now, 14-track album. 3 of which we have has been released already. God's timing is the best. My thoughts from the beginning was that, okay, we are going to expect a gospel song on the album. So are we expecting a gospel song as part of the album?
My music is gospel anyway.
Okay, I believe it's straight gospel you mean. So straight to the first track right now. We'll just dive inside, get to know the whole idea behind the track, the producers, because since you bust into the music industry, you also introduce producers to us who will never hear of before because they work with NAIRA MARLEY. So the first track here is Joe Dada. Forgive me for my Yoruba pronunciation, I'm not really too familiar with that though. So produced by Nifkins. What's the idea behind Joe Dada?
Joe Dada is basically for my Malian female like the twerkers. I don't need the nada, I don't need the grand because I don't want to do that one. So yeah.
Okay, let's have a feel of that right now. It's going to be 1 minute 30 seconds so that we can wrap up everything. DJ, let's go.
Booty quaking.